Hey family, June 24th, Saturday. It was a great day today. Went fishing, come back home, work on the garden. Shanda's been working on taking all the weeds out and everything. She had a couple babies hatched this morning, some guinea fowl, but look at this. We got jalapenos, boys and girls. How about that? Check that out, Mom. Got some jalapenos. Yes, lots of jalapenos. Here they come. There they are right there. Here's the jalapenos. This is the cilantro. Look at the tomatoes. Man, she's been doing such a good job keeping this thing going. Look at our beans. Our Roma beans are doing fantastic. Wow, this is exciting. The chili, look at the chili coming up, man. Looks good. Calabacitas, huh? There's some perfect ones right there already. Probably should pick those. But look at this. It's doing good, guys. Those are pole beans right there. See how they climbed the fence right there? That's pretty awesome. She's got okra over there on that side. We got potatoes in the back. But man, look at all this good stuff. Huh? All these calabacitas growing here. Fantastic. Looks great. Very healthy. Look at the dirt, how black it is. Got a lot of chicken manure all built up in here. But we're gonna get loaded and slammed with tomatoes here. Pretty nice. God is good.